Oblaluhatak. Kanuit Pisi. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day today. Let's be. Always. To do. Cooperate. And let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Today, we're going to talk about something that every single one of us experiences: emotions, and how those emotions can affect the choices we make. Understanding our feelings can help us make better decisions even when things are tough. Here's what we're learning today. First, we'll look at how emotions like anger, sadness, and fear can influence the choices we make. We'll also talk about the difference between reacting quickly and taking time to think. Next, we'll look at the real examples of choices people make when they're emotional. And finally, we'll practice strategies that help us calm down and choose wisely. When we feel angry, our body reacts first. Our heart beats fast, our face might get hot, and we might feel like yelling or stomping. Because anger happens fast, we sometimes react without thinking. We might say something mean, break something, or hurt someone's feelings. Afterwards, we often realize that those choices weren't helpful. Anger can make us ignore consequences. When we're sad, our energy gets lower. We might feel quiet or not interested in playing or talking. Sadness can make us avoid things we normally enjoy, like class activities, hanging out with friends, or joining fun events. If we stay stuck in sadness too long, we can miss out on opportunities to learn, grow, or have fun. When we're scared, our body goes into something called fight or flight. That means we might freeze, run away, or feel tense. Fear can make us avoid taking risks, like answering a questions in class or trying something new. But sometimes, fear holds us back from growing, making friends, or showing what we're capable of. One of the best things we can learn is how to pause before acting. First, notice your feeling and name it. I'm angry, I'm sad, or I'm scared. Then take a deep breath to calm your body. After that, ask yourself, what might happen if I make this choice? Finally, choose the action that helps you, like walking away, talking it out, or asking for help. We should always remember that emotions are powerful and they can push us to act quickly. But smart choices can take time. You can always control how you feel, but you can control how you respond. And that's what makes you stronger and more in control of your actions. Let's pause for a while for our circle up question. Think about a time when you made a choice while you were feeling angry, sad, or scared. What happened because of that feeling? And what could you have done differently if you had paused, breathed, and thought ahead? Let's share a few examples. Blessed morning to all of us!